seeing a problem out there. A lot of you guys make really fire music. The one problem that I see that lacks, Must Die just released a new song, and that's got a perfect example of some really good layering. Showing you just a simple idea and then showing you it with layering ideas onto it. Like, okay, let me show you something. We have this basic, this is what I hear a lot. Like, you know what I mean? Right. We got some cool rhythm. What would take this to the next level would be layering. I think layering can be a little bit tedious and hard, but let me give you some ideas. Let me drop this real quick. So you get the point, right? So layering adds so much to the drops, and you really want to focus on like certain sections on your first little parts right here, right? Let's add back in the layering. So what I did, why I did this right here, is I kind of wanted some sound that was like a sustain, you know what I mean? Just something, you know, going blah 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 blah. This is on the wavetable right here. There's no filter movement, there's no like level movement or filter movement. It's just straight wavetable. I wanted a sustain to complement the pop, and then you know how it goes into it. So, you know what I'm saying? What helps it be kind of catchy is it's another sustain. And what I did in this sustain, and by the way, also all these sustains are cut above like 700 hertz or something like that. Same thing, no movement on the filtering or level here, just like a wah. And I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, flanger, just flangering. Pretty sure this is like the flanger automation and going up and then down. Or you could add it out with the pitch, you know what I mean? Do whatever, but try to play it while you're doing it. Here, let me make this unique real quick and show you an example really quick. You can do anything. You can honestly do stuff like this. Here, let me show you. Part of experimenting. This is literally what you would see me do live. This is all I do. And then what? Maybe we could like, let's play around with that real quick. See if we can get some like a different result. Here, let me open this up real quick. And you would probably turn that up. Kind of sounds like that. And even adding like more stuff in the background, obviously. Loving the stuff for those that send me stuff. And, you know, the thing that I really want to see more with what you guys send me is just some more layering. And so I love hearing you guys level up. It's amazing. And I want to keep on hearing your tunes, but I also want to help you get better. So definitely practice layering, and I hope this helped you out. Keep it up. Don't give up. Keep on having fun with music, and keep on being creative. Don't just get with the hype. Look at the hype, analyze it, and then be really creative, because, you know, that's all it really is. But other than that, guys, keep it easy.